Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to check your monthly views on Pinterest. So if you're a blogger or a business, you might want to know how many views your content is getting. So you can see it from your profile page, but that doesn't really tell you a lot. It says monthly views, but monthly views of what? Are they going through to your website? So where you can check a little bit more detail is clicking in the top left-hand corner, scroll across and then click on Analytics Overview. So here it gives you an overview for the last 30 days of the overall performance of your content. So you can see I've got 1.1 million impressions. So that's the number of time my pins were seen on screen. But the actual engagements is 54,000. So that's including like clicks and saves of my pins. But while that is quite good, that doesn't mean that they're clicking through to my website or blog. So you can see like the outbound clicks here. So I'm getting about 16.4 thousand outbound clicks from pins with a URL on it, and about 10,000 saves of my pins over the month. And my total audience is the number of pinners who have seen or engaged with your pins, and the engaged audience, the number of pinners who have engaged with your pins. You can also scroll down and see like a little graph of how the content is done over the month. And a little bit further down, you can see like your top pins to see which content is getting shown the most and getting the most engagement. And you can also see top boards, which is all like really helpful stuff when you're creating new content. So I hope that it was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.